Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade review for today. Yesterday was pretty much a nothing day. And this bar that we had here on the pretty much all the time frames up until the 4 hour, I think we can actually see that as an exhaustion bar. So right now, there is a bit of a Brooks gap here, what I refer to as a Brooks gap anyway, and that has been tagged this morning. Okay, the next level, or its logical level, is pretty much around 26,882. Okay, and I think it's also safe to say that there is the new downtrend line, and I'd almost just use it as a channel for now. Okay, so I think we're still running on news items at the moment. So we've had another really good day of results that came through yesterday, but the market is still in limbo based on the trade war at the moment. So there's still no detail on the trade deal. Everybody's saying they have a deal, but there's no detail that's coming out. And I see they're now talking about they're going to negotiate phase one that'll be released next month. Anyway, so obviously we've got a lot of skittish investors here. Okay, moving to the hour. I think you'll see that channel is pretty well defined at the moment, and there was a double top here. Let's just make sure that that's played out. Yep, that played out perfectly. So the next step, you can see we have this bit of consolidation here. Okay, we have tagged the 3 hour, more likely the 4 hour Brooks gap here. The next thing is there is a little one on the hour right over there, in line with this level as well. So there's quite a bit of attraction down in this area here. So it's between 26,929 and 26,882. But yesterday we never really got going. Got some trades in, but I think a lot of them, I think 2 of all the trades I did got stopped out for break even. But anyway, that's what you have some days. Okay, so on the hour, we have broken through the alligator and we are now testing the alligator. I suspect this range is going to continue at least until the open again. The other thing that we need to be very, very aware of is the Fibonacci. Okay, so we have closed between the 61.8, we bounced off the 72.6, but there is, for me, I think there is another move to the downside here. Let's just get rid of the Fibonacci, and I think that move is going to come and test the lows here. And just give that to you here. So here was the initial move. That would be the second move. And if we come back and test this double top neckline over there, that's going to give us a move to the downside. Okay, lots of bob wire here. So I'm leaning towards actually just staying out of this for now. But I still can't help myself just looking at the results and thinking, we've had some really good results. There's more positive results than negative results, and some of the big players have brought out some pretty good results as well. So maybe another leg down. We obviously just need to find some kind of support before the buyers step in again. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Until we break this channel, we're in a downward channel. I think it's beyond being a flag at the moment. We've had many little flags breaks. If we do this, so we had one flag break and retest there. I'll just use the same line here. So there was our first flag break and retest. Then we had a bigger flag break retest. just move that. Okay, and then we had even a bigger one. Okay, and now we've had, if we can find my center, come on. And now we've had another one break and retest. Okay, so we keep forming structure and breaking the upside, and the breaks keep failing. So that's 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth one now. So yeah, I think for me, probably a good idea just to stay out of this for now and wait and see what transpires at the US Open. Okay, so looking at the 12 minutes, you can see we had a pretty haphazard move down with lots of gaps. Still another gap up here. And we've kind of broken through the alligator, and we are now testing the alligator break at the moment. We have formed a fractal, which is pretty much the swing low, head and shoulders, double top neckline here, which we've tested. So I think, yeah, that's a line in the sand. We can get a close above this fractal point here, 26,997. I at least suspect another attempt at that being 2,700. So see if we can get through this. We can get a close above that. It'll probably be worthwhile a long trade up to the top of the range channel, and then to get out of it. I'm not really interested in the short, not with what I'm seeing on the earnings, with the earnings at the moment. There's just something just telling me I'll be very wary of any shorts at the moment. Okay, so yeah, so I think for me, watch the fractal breaks on the 12 minutes, take the trades on them, put your stop below the lowest fractal. So at this stage, that's below 26,929. That's not really a decent trade. Okay, I'd like to see a bit of a deeper pullback and then looking to get up. This fractal break here is also in play. Just move that. So there's our fractal. We've broken through it. It broke above the alligator, the teeth, the red line. You can see there's a fractal. And at that point, we're at the point of the break, which is here, it was above the alligator. Okay, so that's a valid trade. It's moved. Now we're looking for another setup. But I think that's short term to me at the moment, just the top of the channel and then back down. I think the US Open is the one that we're looking for. And for that, I expect this channel to continue moving into this area, 26882. Okay, or unless we start forming some form of a higher low. Okay, but there's not much going on here, lots of barbed wire. Anyway, let's just double check on the ichimoku quickly. So you can see, start with the hour. Okay, so we're in the cloud, which indicates range. Okay, Chico span has broken through price. We're still no twist here, but we have had a crossover. So we've got 2 out of 3 signals for a short trade. But look at all this indecision, this barbed wire, all these tails, the top tails, the bottom. Now, I'm very reluctant to believe anything at the moment until I see some solid structure form. Okay, we do have a 4-hour double top here as well. And that's pretty much our line in the sand where we have tested. We can argue that that's a bit of a close below, but I'm going to take it as a close on the neckline. Okay, and then the second thing to do here is we are in a bit of a channel on the lower time frames, but we are in a range on the higher time frames. Okay, Kijun and signals are coming nicely together, still pointing up, trend is still up, cloud it started to flatten out here, but still pointing up to some degree. Chico span is also well through price. So this is all bullish. Okay, if we look at the daily, we've had a crossover, but we're now going straight, which indicates range, which we've seen on the 4-hour. So there is still scope for a range break to the downside as well. And that would still mean we've got a bullish trend. And to me, Now that's the range target there. I would actually just look at the swing low as well, and possibly even this one here. Okay, but that's a 4-hour setup. On the daily, we've got an inside bar and we're forming another inside bar, so don't be too surprised if we form a double inside bar, which is a reversal pattern, and then any break below 26,940 area is going to bring some levels to downside in. The cloud will come into play as well as Kijun into the moment. Okay, so yeah, tough one at the moment. I think if you look at the hour, that is indicating we have had a twist, but we're going to have to break through this cloud for that to be confirmed, in my opinion, right now. So for me at the moment, this is range bound within a channel. If we do break the range to the downside, range target will definitely come into play, which is 26,816. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Very cautious. Not going to touch this until the US Open, and we'll have a look at it then. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope it helps, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.